Hi, this is Annalyn for Fix and Repair channel, and today I'm gonna make reviews of a Christmas gift I received from my Mr. Bear. It's the Asahi 46-liter oven. Simple reminder before using the electric oven is to read all the instructions. These are the knobs. Thermostat knob, maximum niya is 250 degrees Celsius. And the timer up to 120 minutes max. And also the function, which is you can set if you want to bake, roast, or grill. These are the accessories. Trays and then pans. Complete accessories siya. May finished product na po ako. Nakapag-bake na, and ito siya, as you can see. So, hi, this is my reviews for my Asahi 46-liter oven. Why I chose this one, it's because affordable siya and very easy to use for me. And also, yung electricity consumption niya naman, hindi ganun kalakas. Depends siguro how long or gano'n siya kadalas gamitin. Well, ako kasi once or twice a week lang. So, parang, ayun, namomonitor ko siya. So far, so good. Itong Asahi 46-liter oven na